How many factors does 75 have? Okay, so to solve this, just get the prime factors of 75. So 75, so we use factor 3 to find the prime factor. 75, that is 25 times 3. 3 is already a prime number, but 25, so we need to factor 25. 25, that is equal to 5 times 5. So therefore, the prime factors of 75 are 3, 5, and 5. So now the question is, how many factors does 75 have? So just list all the two numbers. When multiplied, the answer is 75. So let's start with 1 times 75. Okay? So next is 75 that is divisible by 3. So that is equal to 3 times 25. Okay? And then the last pair, we have 3 times 5. So 3 times 5, that is equal to 15. So we have 5 times 15, that is equal to 75. So these are all the numbers that can divide 75 or the factors of 75. So let's just count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 75 has 6 factors. The correct answer is letter A. Follow me for more content like this.